Okay.
All right. Today, me and Nick went to Quick Check right behind us and immediately stopped when we came across this new Red Bull flavor. Fuji apple and ginger.
Winter edition. First thoughts.
Looked
I
interesting.
like the look of the can. You know, winter edition. It is kind of giving more fall vibes than winter vibes.
Yeah.
So I don't really
I hope that
know what's up with that, but we're gonna see how it tastes. I don't really know about ginger either.
I hope that the ginger tastes like a ginger ale apple kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
All right, ready?
All right. Cheers. Pink.
Nice.
I like it.
It's not bad.
I like
It's pretty
it.
good actually.
The apple's strong, the ginger's not.
Ginger is very subtle.
Yeah. I feel like I noticed it more when I even like smelt it than tasted it. It tastes like...
It's a very nice apple flavor though. I like that.
Yeah, I know.
It's pretty good.
It's like sweet apple. That's crazy.
It's pretty good. Yeah.
Woo!
Like I can just imagine it. Like it's like a crisp red apple. You know.
Yeah,
it's
like if they just
really...
crushed a red apple
Yeah.
and just put it inside of a Red Bull. That's what it would be. What do you rate it?
artificially flavored. So they definitely did not do that. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Because it tastes good.
But it's okay that we don't
Out
know
of
what
10.
they're putting in our bodies. Cause
Out of
it
10.
tastes good. 8.
8. Summer, because summer was fire.
Summer was
our
like
favorite.
low key like I would say
it was goated, but
9.5 because
9.5?
it tasted like fruit juice, like a fruit cup juice. That's what it tasted like. So I would say that this is like an 8. That's a 9.5. I don't know what's a 10 yet. I don't know if summer would be my flavor of.
this is
Like-
pretty good.
So it's a good thing that we got the big one because we were gonna get the small
really
one.
like this, actually.
All right, success.
Just to show the front.
Crazy. Get an overview of this place. Only 40 minutes away from us. And we've never seen it. Oh my goodness.
Where's the salamander?
Where's the toad?
Well, the toad's right there. Too.
Oh. What?
Where is he?
It's a squirrel?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We were expecting like a dragon or something.
making that
Got a little scared. I was like, she's brave. This guy,
makes it hard to see.
yeah, I know. This guy though is like biting through the wall, as expected. That is very much squirrel behavior. But
Also, it's made out of wood.
they should, yeah, probably get on top of that, you know. Eastern fox turtle. Can't really see. An American crow. Hi, birdie. I don't think he likes us because he's trying to put his beak in the thing. Hi, baby. See? I don't have anything for you, but who's a good baby? Yeah, you're so good. Good baby. What a chill guy. I wish I knew your name.
Why did he get scared of me, but he looks like he likes you?
a wood turtle.
Oh, you're good boy.
Hi, boy.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Are you sure? I don't think that's pumpkin seed, man.
Maybe. Fact check.
No, we're not.
This guy looks a little bit scared.
It's not a pumpkin seed, though.
Me and Nick found this room, and I assume that this is where they do their lectures, their little cage. They have a magnifying glass that projects onto the TV. That is so freaking cool. The feather. This is what a feather looks like under a magnifying glass. Whoa, that is cool. It looks like a steak. Can you do the crystal? Ooh. Oh my. Whoa, it has little hairs in it. It looks like the inside of somebody's ear.
It's a little dirty.
That's pretty cool though. That's what a crystal would look like.
Yeah, I want to zoom in on this part.
Wow.
It's hard to focus.
That's like beautiful.
It's hard to focus it.
A beehive, I assume.
This is I would assume this is probably from a paper wasp.
Paper wasp.
Small paper wasp. So in each of these cells, it's where they pupate,
Wow. Look at you.
go from larva to adult wasp.
You could be like a teacher.
Gotta be careful of fragile.
What about this snake skin? What is that?
What is this? Yeah, I want to know what this is.
Deer.
Oh, it's a deer. Oh. Deer fur, huh?
That's pretty cool. I'm touching deer fur casually.
Pretty cool.
Sorry.
Careful now. Carolina. What is this?
Wow.
Is it a cicada, maybe? It might be a cicada.
Wow.
This one's kind of cool.
Whoa. Didn't even see this.
I think it's a tadpole development here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Tadpole development.
Look, it's looking at me. Hi, buddy. Did I wake you up on accident? I don't know why I recently decided that I love clothes and I'm obsessed with them. So does this one. I don't know if this is like freaky, but I think it's cool. I used to have a snapping girl, and this is what she looked like. But more alive.
Those ducks?
These are both what?
They're Mallard's ducks. So that one's the female, that one's the male.
This is us.
So even Roman outside, he could go after some rabbits too. To seek it. The girls aren't fully, I can turn her so you can see her face.
Wow. So cute.
You guys want to pet her?
Yeah.
She's super soft.
She is very soft.
Aww, sweet baby. You get nervous. I don't know. Let's introduce ourselves. Hi, bird. Hi, baby.
I think he's sleeping.
Aww.
Nocturnal. Owls are nocturnal. Wow, you heard that bird? That was like a classic anime
Yeah.
speech.
Hi, bird. How are you?
So we can come in here, but just dogs can't. But we can go in there.
Oh, okay.
You wanna go?
Yeah. Hello, wise one. You know the bird from, I think it's from Winnie the Pooh? Aww.
They're sleeping with one eye open.
It's kind of scary.
You're kidding.
Oh, he's doing it to me.
Yeah, he is. Look at this guy. This guy's awake.
Oh my goodness.
Ain't it?
Hi, birdie.
His feathers are very nice.
He's like, maybe if I just run at you.
Maybe he's gonna
It's-
go back on his log,
No,
I
it's-
think.
How do they feed him?
I don't know. Sedate him or something? Look at him. He wants that squirrel so bad. See? He ain't never gonna get him. He wishes he could hunt.